Theme of Bhagavatam is very simple. What is the purpose of existence? What is the purpose of human life? That's what is being answered. That is the main theme of Srimad Bhagavatam. That is the main objective of Srimad Bhagavatam. To explain this thing, that what is the purpose of our human existence, what is the purpose of our life, it also explains three other things. It says the purpose of our life is to achieve the ultimate object, because success is usually when you have a purpose. Purpose is when you have success is when you have a goal to achieve. So here the goal to be achieved, the purpose for the life is to attain the ultimate object, the supreme lord Bhagavan, which is called as uttama sadhya, means the ultimate objective. And okay, for every goal to be achieved, there is a process that one needs to follow. So what is the ultimate method to achieve this ultimate goal? So that is bhakti, uttama sadhana. And what is that ultimate goal itself? After we achieve that object, because when we see, say for example, I want to get money, money is not the goal. With money, I have to do something like that. So like when we say Krishna, Bhagavan is the ultimate object, what do we do with the object? So that is prema. The ultimate say, uttama seva, is actually loving Krishna. And that is the ultimate goal. So these are the three things discussed. And this is the theme of Srimad Bhagavatam. What is the ultimate object? That is the Supreme Lord Krishna. What is the ultimate method to actually achieve him? That is bhakti. And what is the goal? Which is to awaken prema for that Supreme Lord through the process of bhakti. So this is the theme of Srimad Bhagavatam. So this is the second topic we have touched upon. If anybody has anything to ask or share before I move on to the next topic. Okay.